Did you know there's a tremendous power within you, ready to transform your life? In this video, you'll learn how to access infinite wisdom and universal energy to overcome challenges, break through limitations, and unlock your true potential. Get ready to change how you see life and discover practical tools to activate the divine connection that's been inside you all along. Don't miss this chance for real transformation. Have you ever wondered about the hidden power within you, waiting to be awakened? Imagine waking up every day feeling invincible, knowing you have the power to reshape your life on your terms. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But what if I told you this power isn't an illusion but a real force, already present within you and ready to be harnessed? Now let me ask you, what would happen if you could harness this power to shape your life exactly as you wish? What if the key to the life you've always wanted lies in something you haven't activated yet? Today, we are going to explore that. There's a cosmic power, an energy that lives in each of us, and it's not just for solving problems. It can unlock the doors to a fulfilling and rewarding life. Dr. Ernest Holmes made a startling discovery. He spoke of a divine connection, a universal energy that exists not only in the cosmos, but also within you. Can you imagine? It's like having a hidden superpower that you might never have noticed. Many might think, if I possess a divine power, shouldn't I feel it? And that's the wonder. This power has been with you all along, like a source waiting to be ignited. It's as natural as flipping a switch and filling a room with light. That's the principle of what we'll explore here. We will learn to activate our connection with this divine mind in a simple and practical way to illuminate every corner of our lives in ways we never imagined possible. If you find this content enlightening, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you help us grow and continue to share powerful teachings like this. Dr. Holmes unveils a concept that seems simple, yet is profoundly deep. There's a positive power in the universe, greater than us. And here's the amazing part. We can access it to use in our everyday lives. Just like when we turn on a light, we're not just flipping a switch, but we're connecting with a fundamental law of the universe. Think about it for a moment. Dr. Holmes suggests that connecting with the mind of God is as natural as gravity itself, that invisible force we feel every instant. Now, you might wonder, can we really be in touch with a divine mind? While it may sound hard to believe, think about how gravity works. Gravity is invisible or touchable, but we know it affects us all. It's a force that supports every step we take and keeps the planets and stars in their places. We aren't gravity, but we live immersed in its effects day after day. What Dr. Holmes proposes is that the divine mind operates in a similar manner. It is an immense intelligence that encompasses everything and is present in every corner of the universe. We are not that mind, but we are surrounded by it and influenced by its power. And here lies the great revelation. We can learn to consciously connect with this force. According to Holmes, there are no separate minds. There is only one mind, and that is the divine mind. As living beings, we all share this infinite mind, though we may not always be aware of it. It's as if each of us is a unique expression within this cosmic intelligence, a wave in the vast ocean of consciousness. Every person is an individual manifestation, yet made of the same divine essence and connected to the universe. We are not isolated pieces. We are part of the same spiritual fabric. Realizing that our minds are an extension of a higher consciousness opens up a new way of seeing ourselves and the world. Now that we've explored this connection with the divine mind, let's see how it expresses itself in our everyday lives. This life force, this connection that animates everything, is not just a biological phenomenon, but an energy that drives creativity, growth, healing, and transformation. It's not just a theory. It's something you can feel and observe in the growth of a seed turning into a tree, in your body's ability to heal, or in the constant renewal of every cell. This is the life force in action. And the best part is that this connection is not something you have to seek or attain. It isn't reserved for a few enlightened individuals, but is a gift that we all share simply by existing. It's as if you've always had this enormous potential and are now beginning to discover how to harness it. Imagine you have a device filled with advanced features, but you've only used it for basic tasks. What we're doing here is revealing all those possibilities that have been with you all along, helping you to fully utilize this divine gift within you. Consider this. The life force is the same energy that keeps the planets moving, allows seeds to germinate, and drives the very evolution of life. It is also the power you can use to transform your reality, solve challenges, and materialize your desires. But remember, just like gravity acts without distinction, this divine energy does not have favorites. It is available to everyone, always. The key is learning to align with this energy, to be in tune rather than resisting its natural flow. Now that we have understood the foundation of this connection, let's explore how we can practically apply it in our daily lives. Here is where theory becomes action. To access this power, the first step is to adjust our mindset, aligning our thoughts and beliefs with the infinite wisdom of this higher energy. To aid you in this process, here are some concrete steps. First, focus on solutions rather than problems. This detail might seem small, but it makes a significant difference. When faced with an obstacle, try shifting your perspective from "I have a problem and don't know what to do" to "I have an opportunity for growth and trust that divine guidance will show me the way." This simple change opens up space for new ideas and solutions to emerge. Another important step is to carve out a daily time to connect with this energy. This could be through meditation, reflection, or a moment of deep silence. What truly matters is the intention to establish this connection. During this time, try to quiet your mind and open yourself to receive guidance. Often, when we create internal space, valuable ideas naturally arise. Additionally, the power of positive thinking plays a key role. Our thoughts have a great influence, and by consciously choosing those that elevate our energy, we align more closely with this universal mind. Try starting your day with affirmations like, "I am in harmony with infinite wisdom," or "Divine guidance flows in me," revealing perfect solutions for each situation. If you find this content providing clarity and inspiration, leave a like and subscribe to continue exploring topics like this. And if you wish to delve deeper on your path, download my ebook, Divine Essence, Rediscovering the Inner Self and Spiritual Peace. The link is in the description. Trust the process. For this divine energy, no problems are too large. It flows through everything in a balanced manner. Trust that the answers you seek are already there, waiting to be revealed. This trust, in itself, opens doors and allows opportunities to emerge that might previously have gone unnoticed. Over time, you might start noticing a higher frequency of intuitions or moments of clarity. Pay attention to these signals, as they could guide you on your path. Follow these intuitions, even if they seem illogical at first. Gratitude is also a powerful tool for aligning with the positive flow of life. Take a few minutes each day to acknowledge and appreciate what you have, no matter how small. This places you in a receptive attitude, allowing new blessings and solutions to appear. Also harness the power of your imagination, which is a precious gift. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing the life you desire, feeling the satisfaction of having achieved your goals. Far from being a mere fantasy, this practice communicates your intentions to the divine mind. Remember, these practices aren't about forcing changes, but about allowing divine wisdom to flow through you. It's a collaboration between your being and the limitless power of the universe. You might be wondering at this moment, all this sounds inspiring, but my problems are real and tough. How can this approach help me with the challenges of everyday life? This is a valid question, and we are going to explore it in depth. Life tests us, and often the difficulties seem larger than what we can handle. However, it's here that this deep connection with universal power can make a significant difference. When we begin to see adversities as opportunities to develop our true essence and seek higher guidance, something changes within us. This isn't about ignoring reality or evading problems, but about facing them from a renewed perspective. Understanding that we have access to universal intelligence allows us to view each situation as a learning opportunity. Problems can become opportunities to apply that divine connection in our daily lives. Consider a common situation like economic challenges. Instead of falling into despair or feeling that it's insurmountable, this wisdom can awaken new ideas in you, help you see hidden resources, or even open doors that previously seemed closed. Or, for example, in personal relationships, instead of viewing conflicts as failures, you might use them to gain a deeper understanding, cultivating the patience and compassion that reside within you and improving communication. Even in the face of health issues, this connection can provide you with a different outlook. This doesn't mean ignoring professional care or advice, but complementing it with renewed trust in the life energy that dwells within you, promoting your natural well-being. Just as gravity works without us thinking about it, This guidance is always at your disposal, ready to help you navigate the best path. Your role is not to solve everything alone, but to allow this intelligence to guide you and to follow its signals. It's also important to be compassionate with yourself as you learn to use this power. Like any new skill, it requires practice and patience. You might not notice significant changes immediately, but by consistently applying these principles, you will see how challenges become less burdensome. Solutions begin to emerge naturally. You experience greater calm in difficult moments and discover opportunities that may have previously gone unnoticed. You are forming an alliance with the most powerful force in the universe, and this connection can help you overcome any challenge you face. As we conclude this exploration of Dr. Ernest Holmes' profound insights, I want you to take a moment to internalize this idea. Within you lies a connection to infinite wisdom and universal power. This power is not something you need to acquire or something you have to search for afar. It already lives within you, waiting to be recognized and activated. Imagine how your life would change if you started each day with this understanding. What if, instead of feeling overwhelmed by problems, you could see them as opportunities to manifest this wisdom? What if, instead of feeling limited by circumstances, you recognize the unlimited potential within you? This isn't about magic or denying life's realities. It's about accessing a deeper truth, remembering that you are not just a physical being surviving, but a spiritual being with access to infinite resources. Start today. Choose one of the practices we've explored. Perhaps you want to dedicate a few minutes each day to connect with this energy, use positive affirmations, or tackle a challenge with this new perspective. Whatever you choose, commit to it for a week and observe what happens. Remember, this is a journey of transformation. You are cultivating a new way of thinking and living, and this requires time and dedication. Be patient with yourself, but also consistent. The power is already within you. Now, it's time to activate it and allow it to illuminate every aspect of your life. If this video brought you value, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment, share your ideas, or ask your questions. You can also share this message with someone who needs to hear these words today. Activate notifications by tapping the bell to receive alerts for new videos. Your support is crucial for the channel. Thank you for being here and for watching this video.